Exercise 11.4, question number 1. If 3 apples cost rupees 45, how much would 5 apples cost? So here 3 apples cost 45. So each apple, how much it will cost? First we have to calculate. So 45 by 3, when you are going to do rupees 15 for each apple. So each apple costs 15 rupees. Then 5 apples costs how much? That means each apple costs rupees 15. Then 5 apples costs how much? So that will be 5 into 15. So that will be 75 rupees. So directly also we can solve here. That means 3 apples cost 45. Then 5 apples cost how much? That means 3 into 45. 5 into 45 by 3. So that will give rupees 75. In this way also we can calculate. Question number 2. Laxmi bought 7 books for a total of rupees 56. How much would she pay for just 3 books? So for 7 books, 56 rupees. That means for each book, how much? That means rupees 8. So for each book 8 rupees means for 3 books how many? That means into 3. So that will be 24 rupees. Question number 3. Reena wants to prepare vegetable pulao. She needs 300 grams of rice. If she has to feed 4 people, how much of rice is needed if the same pulao is prepared for 7 people? So for 4 people, 300 grams of rice is required. So for each person, how much rice is required? That means 300 by 4. That gives 150 gram of pulao is required for each person. So for one person 150 grams. Then for 7 people how many? That means into 7. That gives here 1050 gram of rice is needed to prepare a pulao for 7 people. Question number 4. The cost of 16 chairs is rupees 3600. Find the number of chairs that can be purchased for rupees 4500. So 16 chairs 3600 rupees. Then for one chair how much? That means 3600 divided by 16. That will be rupees 225. So for each chair 225 rupees is the cost. So one chair rupees 225. Then for rupees 4500, then how many chairs you are going to get? That means 1 into 4500 by 225. So that will be 20 chairs you are going to get with the amount of rupees 4500. Question number 5. A train moving at a constant speed covers a distance of 90 kilometers in 2 hours. Find the time taken by the train to cover a distance of 540 kilometers at the same speed. So for 90 kilometers 2 hours it has taken. Then for 1 hour how much it will take? That means 90 by 2, that will be 45 kilometers. So for 1 hour 45 kilometers it will take. Then for 540 kilometers, how many hours it will take? That will be 1 into 540 by 45. That will be 12 hours. So it will take 12 hours to cover 540 kilometers distance. Question number 6. The income of Kumar for 3 months is rupees 15,000. If he earns the same amount for a month, how much will he earn in 5 months? Second, in how many months will he earn 95,000? So for 3 months 15,000 he is going to earn. Then first we are going to calculate for 1 month how much he will earn. That means 15,000 by 3, that will be 5,000. 5,000 rupees he is going to earn. So how much will he earn in 5 months? That means for 1 month 5,000 rupees is going to earn. For 5 months, how much is going to earn? That will be 5 into 5,000. That will be 25,000. So 25,000 rupees is going to earn in 5 months. So for 1 month 5,000 rupees is going to earn. So 1 month he is going to earn rupees 5,000. Then rupees 95,000. How many months it will take? That means 95,000 by 5,000. So that will be 19 months. That will be 19 months. Question number 7. If the cost of 7 meters of cloth is rupees 294, find the cost of 5 meters of cloth. So 7 meters 294 rupees is the cost. Then for 1 meter how much? So that will be 294 by 7. That will be 42 rupees. So for 1 meter rupees 42. Then for 5 meters how much? That will be 5 into 42. That will be 210 rupees. So for 5 meters 210 rupees is the cost. Question number 8. A farmer has sheep and cows in the ratio 8:3. First question, how many sheep has the farmer if he has 180 cows? Second, find the ratio of number of sheep to the total number of animals the farmer has. Third one, find the ratio of the total number of animals with the farmer to the number of cows with him. So here first question is asking how many sheep has the farmer if he has 180 cows. So the ratio is 8:3. So here these are sheep and these are cows. So 3 parts 180 cows are there. Then 8 parts sheep are there. So we are going to find out if 3 parts are 180 cows, then 8 parts how many sheep are there. That means 180 into 8 by 3. So that will be 3 1 here 60. That will be 480 sheep are there. So this is the first solution. Next is asking find the ratio of number of sheep to the total number of animals the farmer has. So cow we are going to see 180. Ship we are going to see 480. Then total will be 066. So 660 animals the farmer is having. They are asking the ratio of number of sheep to total number of animals. So number of sheep are 480 and total number of animals is 660. So when you are going to simplify this, you get 24:33, and after that you are going to see 8:11 here. So the ratio is 8:11. So this is a second one. Third question, find the ratio of total number of animals with the farmer to the total number of cows. So third one. So total number of animals is to total number of cows. So total number of animals is 660. Total number of cows are 180. So when you are going to simplify, 32:9. So that will be 11:3. So this is the ratio. Question number 9. Are 3, 5, 15, 9 in proportion? If we change their order, can we think of proportional pairs? Write as many proportionality statements as you can for the above example. So here we are going to see numbers 3, 5, 9, 15. So first we are going to see one ratio proportional, that will be 3:15. So when you are going to simplify it, it will be 1:5. This is one proportionality. Second, 3:9. So when you are going to simplify, it will be 1:3. Third, 5:15. When you are going to simplify, it will be 1:3. Fourth, 9:15. When you are going to simplify, it will be 3:5. So this is the proportionality ratios for this 3, 5, 9, 15. Question number 10. The temperature has dropped by 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, how much more will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? So here for last 30 days, 15 degree temperature has been dropped. That means per one day, how much it has dropped? That means 15 by 30, that will be 0.5 degree Celsius. So per day 0.5 degree Celsius. In the next 10 days, how much the temperature will be dropped? That will be 10 into 0.5 degrees Celsius, that will be 5 degrees Celsius. So in the next 10 days, 5 degrees will be dropped. Question number 11. Fill in the following blanks. 15 by 18 equal to x by 6, that equal to 10 by x, that equal to x by 30. So here we are going to find out the x here. So 15 by 18 is equal to x by 6. So 15 by 18 is equal to x by 6. Then x is equal to 15 into 6 by 18. So that will be 5 here. So in this blank we are going to write 5. Next we are going to say 15 by 18 equal to 10 by x. So that will be 15 by 18 equal to 10 by x. Then x is equal to 18 into 10 by 15. Then x is equal to, we are going to see 12 here. So in this blank we are going to write 12. So same 15 by 18 is equal to x by 30. Then x is equal to 15 into 30 by 18. Then x is equal to 25. So here we are going to write 25 here. So question number 12. Ratio of breadth and length of a hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadths and lengths of the hall. Here breadth of the hall in meter, length of the hall in meter, which is 10 and 25. Here x and 50 and 40 and x. We have to fill this x and find the x here. So here the ratio is 2:5. So here x by 50. So suppose 2 by 5 is equal to x by 50. That means x is equal to 2 into 50 by 5. That will be x is equal to 20. So here we are going to fill 20 here. In the same way, 2 by 5 is equal to 40 by x. Then x is equal to 5 by 40 by 2. That means x is equal to 100. So here 100. So this is the x. So in the same way we are going to find some possible outcomes. So suppose here x is 50, then we are going to say 75 is the length. If 80 is the breadth, then we are going to see 200 will be length. If 100 is breadth, then 250 will be the length. So in this way we can continue the length and breadth of the hall. Question number 13. Geetha earns rupees 12,000 a month, out of which she saves 3,000 rupees. Find the ratio of her first one, expenditure to savings. Second one, savings to her income. Third one, expenditure to her income. So here Geetha earns, the income is how much? 12,000, and savings is equal to 3,000. Then expenditure will be 12,000 minus 3,000, that will be, that is equal to 9,000. So in the first question, expenditure to savings. So expenditure to savings here, in the sense expenditure to savings. So expenditure how much? 9,000 is to savings 3,000. So that will be in the ratio 3:1 here. Second one, savings to her income. So savings to her income. So savings how much? 3,000 is to income how much? 12,000. So the ratio will be 1:4 here. Next we are going to see third question, expenditure to her income. Expenditure versus income. So expenditure how much? 9,000. Income 12,000. So that will be 3:4. So this is the ratio here. Question number 14. There are 45 persons working in an office. The number of females is 25 and the remaining are males. Find the ratio of first one, the number of females to the number of males. Second one, the number of males to the number of females. So here total is how much? 45 and female is how much? 25 and male is equal to total minus female, that means 45 minus 25, that will be 20 is the male here. So in the first question, number of females to the number of males. So female is to male. So female how much? 25 and male how much? 20. So when you simplify, 5 is to 4. Second, the number of males to the number of females. So males how much? Females. Males 20, females 25. So that will be 4:5. So this is the simplest form. Question number 15. A bag of sweets contains yellow and green sweets. For every 2 yellow sweets, there are 6 green sweets. Complete this table based on the above information. So the data is given yellow, green and total sweets, and we are going to first fill this, and after that we are going to solve the questions given. So in the data they have given, for every 2 yellow sweets there are 6 green sweets. That means here green sweets are 6, then yellow sweets will be 2 here. So the total will be 8 here. So next we are going to see the next column. 4 yellow sweets are there, 12 green sweets are there, then total will be here 16 here. Next 6 yellow, total 24, then green will be here 2 into 3 times 6, same way 6 into 3 times, that means 18 will be green sweets. So in the same way 4 times, when you are going to see 6 4 times 24 green, in the same way we are going to see yellow 2 into 4, that means 8 yellow, and total will be 32 here. So same way we are going to see 6 5 times, that is 30, and here 10, the total will be 40 here. So this is the data given. So now we are going to answer the questions. First question, what is the ratio of green to yellow sweets? So green sweets are 6 here and yellow sweets are 2 here. So when you are going to simplify here, so that will be 3:1. The ratio is 3:1. Second one, if you have 8 yellow sweets, how many green sweets will you have? So yellow sweets are 8 suppose, then green how many? So we have to see in the data. So this is the data, 8 yellow sweets, then green will be 24. So 24 is the answer. So yellow 8, then green will be 24. Next, if there are 32 sweets in the medium size bag, how many will be yellow? So we are going to see the data now. So here 32 sweets are there, then green is 24, then yellow is how many? 8. So 8 plus 24, 32. So yellow is 8. So yellow is equal to 8. Fourth one, in the super fast size bag there are 40 sweets. How many will be the green? So we have to see that table here. You are going to see the table. 40 sweets are there. Then in this green will be 30, yellow will be 10. So total will be 40. So here green will be 30 sweets. Fifth one, in the sweet bowl, if there are 16 yellow sweets, how many total sweets are in the bowl? If 16 are there, yellow 16 are there, then green will be 3 times more. That means 6 into 16 into 3, that means 48 will be green. How many total sweets are there in the bowl? That means 16 plus 48. 48 plus 16. So that will be 64 sweets are there in the bowl. Question number 16. In a school survey, it was found that for every 4 girls, there are 5 boys. Fill in the following table. So girls boys total is given here. So after that they asked the questions. So first we are going to fill the table here. So in the question they are given for every 4 girls there are 5 boys. So here girls are 4, then boys will be 5, then total will be 9 here. So here 8 are girls, that means 4 into 2, 8. Then boys will be 5 times 5 into 2, that means 10 here. The total will be here 18. So in the same way 15 are there, then here 4 into 3 it will be 12, then that will be 27 is the total. In the same way 20 boys are there, then girls will be 16, so that will be 36. So in the same way we are going to see here 45, then boys will be 25, girls will be 20 here. Now we will answer the questions here. What is the ratio of girls to boys? So in the question itself they are given girls is to boys, the ratio is 4:5. In a class of 27 children, how many would be girls? So 27, when you are going to see children, when divide by 9 parts, that means 4 into 9, you get 3 here. So if you are going to find girls how many means 3 into 4 ratio. 3 into 4, that will be 12 girls are there. Boys how many means 3 into 5, that will be 15. Third one, there are 54 children in a class. How many are boys? So 54 are there, 54 children by 9. So that will be 6 here. So girls how many means 6 into 4 parts, that is 24. Boys how many means 6 into 5 parts, that will be 30. So 30 will be the boys. Fourth one, if 20 girls join in a year, how many boys would join? So we know the ratio girls into boys, that is 4:5. Girls plus boys, that means here 20 are joined, means here 25 you are going to see, because the ratio is 4:5.